So let's learn about non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and we have the translocations first. So there's 8, 11, 14, 18. Write everything down like this. If there's 8, 8 plus even number is Burkitt. It's a rule, okay? 8 plus even number is Burkitt. So if it is 8, 14, 8, 22, 2, 8, all of this 8, 14, 8, 22 and 2, 8 are all Burkitt's lymphoma. But if 8 is with 21, remember 8 to 21 are ages where most of the maturation happens. So that is your maturation type, that is M2 type of AML. Okay, so 821 is there. But if it is 814, 822 and 28, all of them are Burkitt's. Next coming is 11 and 11, 14 and 18. So 11 and 18 are in the margins. That's why it is called as marginal zone lymphoma or martoma. Then if it is 14 and 18, remember 4 sounds like follicular, so you have your 4 is follicular cell lymphoma, so 14, 18 is follicular. And now what is left is 11, 14. So 11, the EL of 11, when you reverse it, it becomes EL like this, so that is mantle cell lymphoma. So EL of 11 becomes EL of mantle, that is mantle cell lymphoma. So you're done with Burkitt translocations, you're done with marginal zone translocations, follicular and mantle, along with AML M2. Next is what are the CD markers and how to differentiate what is what. So in NHL there are two types of NHL. One is the T type and one is a B cell type. So T cell will be CD3 plus positive. So that is one thing that you have to eliminate. If it is CD3 plus, then it is T cell, but that's very rare. Most of the NHLs are going to be B cell positive. So any B cell positive tumor will have CD19 and CD20 positive. So B cell, you just see 19 and 20. Then after that you will see either is it CD10 positive or CD5 positive. It can either be CD10 or CD5. If it is CD10, then see if it has BCL6 or BCL2. BCL6 or BCL2. If it has BCL6 positive, then see what is this thing. If it is a most common non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, most aggressive non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, most common extranodal lymphoma, along with CD30 and 38 positive, then or maybe there is HIV or EBV association, then the answer is DLBCL. So again to repeat, CD10 plus BCL6 plus, and also be either the most common, most aggressive, most common extranodal CD30, CD38 positive, and it related to HIV or EBV, that is DLBCL. Then if it is CMYC, remember anything with CMYC, which we did over here, 8 is CMYC, 11 is like 1 for cyclin D1, 18 is BCL2. So 8 is CMYC, 11 is cyclin D1 and 18 is BCL2. This is very important. So if there is CMYC involved, CMYC is basically 8, and we already did that 8 plus even number is going to be Burkitt's lymphoma. See the amount of proliferation which is there, because Ki67 is 100%, so it's very much hypercellular, and that is why the appearance is a starry sky appearance. In Burkitt, it is starry sky appearance, Ki67 100% positive and CMYC positive. Coming to C10, which is BCL2 positive. Remember, 2 study partners are required for a good prognosis, and good prognosis, follicular has the best prognosis. So BCL2 over here, anyways, where BCL2 is 18 and 18 was 14, 18 is follicular. Okay, so we did that. Now again to just recap, CD10 plus BCL2 is follicular, which has the best prognosis because BCL2, 2 study partners, done. Now if 10 we did 10 either having BCL6 or BCL2, so we are done with 10. Now coming to 5, if positive, CD5 is positive, then see if the CD23 is positive or CD23 is negative. If 23 is positive, then and CD200 is positive with either deletion of 13q, CD200 positive, deletion of 13q, CD23 positive, then it is CLL or SLL, that is chronic lymphoblastic leukemia or small lymphoblastic leukemia. So basically what you see over here is smudge cells, and also you'll see this convent girl appearance. You see a college girl appearance in CML. That's what they are saying here. But main thing is CD5 positive, CD23 positive, CD200 positive, deletion of 13q, smut cell, CLL, SLL, convent girl appearance. Now CD5 is positive but CD23 is negative. Then the answer is mantle cell lymphoma. And mantle cell, we anyways did mantle cell, which was over here 14, 11, 14 mantle cell. So 11 is involved, so that is why that is cyclin D1. So cyclin D1 will be positive. So that is CD5 positive, CD23 negative, cyclin D1, and also there's SOX11. So that is mantle cell, 11 for mantle, 11 for the translocation. Now if everything is negative, so you basically marginalize this person because everything is negative. CD5 is negative, CD10 is negative, CD23 is negative, so it's marginalized. That's why it is marginal zone lymphoma. Now coming to where does everything originate from? Remember small lymphocytic lymphoma, because it's small, it is naive, so it is naive B cell. Mantle zone and marginal zone obviously come from mantle zone and marginal zone. Germinal center, follicular, and DLBCL and Burkitt. Like DLBCL and Burkitt come from the follicles of germinal cell. Come from the germinal cell. So three things come from the germinal cell: follicular, DLBCL, and Burkitt. And plasma cell gives myeloma.